On today's episode, we continue our Exploring Texas series as we head down to Crystal Beach for a fun night of camping. The weather showed temperatures in the 70s today, with scattered thunderstorms possible in the afternoon. We decided to take our chances anyway, hoping that the beach wouldn't be too crowded, and we were not disappointed. Crystal Beach is located on the Bolivar Peninsula in southeastern Texas. It offers visitors stunning views of the coastline as well as opportunities for fishing, bird watching, and exploring historic sites such as Fort Travis or the Bolivar Lighthouse. You can also acquire a $10 parking permit for the beach, which allows you access to the 26 miles of coastline that is available, and camping, once you've acquired this parking pass, is free.
All right, so we made it out to Crystal Beach, as you can see, and we have a little beach Jeep party going on here. We've got our friend Holly in front of us, and her Jeep Wrangler JLU, and my daughter behind us in her Jeep Wrangler JLU. And so now we're just gonna see if we can find us a cool spot to camp. Set up camp, do some lunch, cook some burgers tonight. It should be a lot of fun.
After traveling several miles down the beach, we came across this runoff area and decided to check it out. After getting out and inspecting it, it looked like it was just fine and safe enough for the Jeeps to cross, so we carried on down our way.
Jeep gang.
I don't know what the wind noise is going to be like, but this is home for the night. So we're going to finish setting up camp and get some lunch going. We're hungry.
After setting up camp and eating a good lunch, it was time to enjoy some fun activities out on the beach.
Yeah! Yep. What are you doing? Oh, that was definitely making video. we looked out on the wind, it's not so windy that it's unbearable, but it's just enough to keep a kite going.
We really lucked out with the weather. The rain stayed all around us but never directly on us. And the beach was quite clean. I'd read some reviews before that said parts of the beach were very dirty and littered, and that was not the case for our camping experience this time. As the afternoon went on and turned into evening, the day visitors started to leave one by one, and it left us with the whole beach to ourselves, which we really enjoyed.
The wind is settling in for the night, and we are getting hungry, so we're lighting up the old smoky so that we can have some burgers. It is dinner time, and we've got our burgers. Let's dig into it. I hit the spot, y'all. Man, it hit the spot. Easy man's way to start a campfire. Use the charcoal you use for cooking to throw in the bottom of the hole and put the firewood on top and let it catch naturally. All right, success. We got the fire going. Right, everybody, it is time for us to hit the sack. It's been a pretty fun day. Had some great food, a lot of fun. We'll see you in the morning. Morning, everybody. We had a pretty good night last night and slept good. And just look at the view that we have out our tent. We have a really nice view of the sunrise. Can't beat that. I guess it's time to get some coffee going. It was 47 when I woke up, and now it's 54. Still a little chilly for the beach, but got coffee going. That does it for us on this very windy day at Crystal Beach. But until next time, we'll see you behind the grill or behind the wheel.